just left Trinidad, and the next morning we caught our very first tuna. Jadaman starts reeling that bad boy in, and he gets his chance to dispatch and bleed the fish. We ended up making these awesome poke bowls, but like any other cruisers, we're kind of limited on plastic and silverware, so we use plates instead. We're trying to watch Brokeback Mountain again for the third time this week. And by the next morning, we were drinking our coffee, eating leftovers, and Simo was whipping up soap ace.
Gotta get the mayo. Original Swiss, real mayonnaise. Whoa, mayo-y sauce. Is that the gourmet artisan sauce?
Yeah, it's quite...
Excellent.
Wow, even better. This is an A+ mayo clip for the vlog.
Splattering. Fantastic. Real artisan sauce. Not mayo, that's for weird people.
I left the boat for like 20 minutes to do a workout, and this is what it looks like now.
Gladly.
After a cheeky little swim sesh and an overnight sail, we finally made it to Martinique. We checked in online, super easy, what a accommodating process. It's even better if you know French, because we had to translate the page to English. But I'm going to show you the town, and I'm super glad we're here to spend the next couple days. We're really trying to make it to Puerto Rico because our friends and our family is flying into there. We're about 300 miles into our journey from Trinidad, and we've got about 400 remaining, and we've got about 5 days to do it. But we're having some energy problems right now. All the energy is like flickering on and off. We got these new motors. We don't know if that's the case. As you can hear the generator in the background, but that thing has just been kind of cutting in and out on us. It's not really been quite fun. It's brand new, which kind of stinks.
Yeah, it's been a little bit of a rude awakening being back on the boat, pushing so hard. I was sailing the boat last night. We went into the wind, had to turn on the motor. I don't know, it just felt like all this stuff happened all at once yesterday, so a little bit grumpy today, but definitely in better spirits now because we had ice cream. What are we doing?
Simo dragging me out to go swimming, and I'm not complaining because this is great. And our friends went to go surfing, and in the meantime, we're gonna go play mermaid.
I love playing mermaid. You think the Viz is bad?
No, I said it's great.
Oh, I thought you were being sarcastic.
No, this is great.
This is great.
Underneath me is a massive side of a ship. In 1906, this volcano right behind me, it blew up and it sunk a series of ships where we are. And you can see all the marine growth, and the reef looks so amazing on top of this devastating blow to the ecosystem. Daggone, these waves are breaking all over the boat. It's like 8 o'clock in the evening, and we're trying to make a final push. We're coming up behind Dominica. Hopefully this is going to allow us to not brace this swell. It's still pretty insane. Yeah, the waves are pretty big still. This is by far the biggest waves we've been in. They're massive, absolutely massive. Stink City.
Still like 2 people should probably be out there for me.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
So we still do 2-hour rotation, but you overlap, so you only do it for
2 up, 3 down.
Now we talking. We're doing some real sailing now. Check out these swells.
the worst part is that the camera doesn't do anything.
No.
Of course not.
It's really bigger than the boat.
Sail out, no main.
Oh my god!
What? That swell in there is insane. This is crazy. I don't even know how did you go. Like, how did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Where did you that day?
What happened?
The wave, dude. The wave that took the boat. You were in the perfect storm.
I was fucking wrong yesterday.
Oh, listen, there it's hot.
Dude, I don't even stink in here.
Dude, I know my room's kind of great. Hi, movie night!
Can you say popcorn time?
Outside. Popcorn time? One more time? Hey, don't get my dirty room, dude.
Alright, fine. I'll edit that part out. Trash?
Dude, you making coffee?
Mm-hmm. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Gosh, I took a Dramamine and I feel like I put in a few stamp or sons.
Yeah, good luck.
What's it like out there?
What's that?
What's it like out there?
Pretty mellow. Jaden, what are we doing?
We're on a run right now. We're sailing wing and wing past Guadalupe.
Cool. Underneath, it's got a couple cracks, and so she's just taking on water, and we've just been dragging her like this forever.
there's a lot going on to get this boat sailing downwind. But it seems successful. Well, until I looked at how fast they're going.
All that for 2 knots. That's we're at 3.
3.
Sometimes we get 3.5.
If there's any foul weather expected.
Are you wet?
We're ready, Barbie.
Okay, follow these knots. Those knots. Follow these knots.